Welcome to EZICHEQ. Today we'll be covering off checklists. Once you've logged in, you can click on Account, scroll down to Checklists and click Create New Checklist on the top left. But to make things easy for you, we have a range of pre-made checklists in our checklist template library. So please look in here before creating a checklist from scratch. You can filter by type up the top here. For example, building compliance or electrical or scaffolding. Let's look at a couple of examples. A simple pre-made checklist would be the handover scaffolding. You can see here the checklist comes with a few details already populated, with simple buttons, a free text field, sign-offs, and the ability to add photos. If this is the template you'd like to start with, simply click Copy, give the checklist a name, make sure it's under the correct account, and click Save. Now, if you head back into Account, under Checklist, you'll find your checklist here. You've got two options on the left, Checklist Details and Checklist Questions. Under Checklist Details, here is where you get to set the instructions, whether this checklist can only be completed by someone with the right qualifications, and if you would like to restrict this check. A little further down, you can set the frequency, reminders, who to assign this to, and the ability to attach files. The checklist questions are where you can add, reorder, or remove the questions. If you click Create a New Question, you'll need to type the question in, choose what type of question this is, set the conditions, or make this question mandatory if you want. You can also create hints to help users understand the question. You can set conditions to mark this inspection as failed and set up alerts too. EZICHEQ. We make digital inspections easy.